All right, I'm trying to do this one-handed. I'm doing this recipe as yin yang kebabs from Mr. Skewer on YouTube. Now, it is lamb, and I've done it many times with lamb. But I thought it'd be easier if I try it with some chicken wings out here. Because usually I do it with lamb and I put like some Chinese veggies because it's really Asian. Now, if you don't know Mr. Skewer, just go ahead and dump that bag in here now.
I'm trying to open it.
Yeah, you could dirty a bag now. It's fine. With your hand. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to throw that bag away. And just, yeah. So we're putting a wing, some onions, then another wing just back and then whatever's left, we'll put the onions up. And then what I'm going to do, I made some little shells with the wood there. And then we're going to lay these giant sword kebabs with those and put it right across the fire around those coals. And by the time we get over there, there should be heat from coals instead of flame over there. All right, we got the kebab skewers on the fire. I already rotated them once. Don't know how much they're gonna need at this rate, but got some good browning right there. Still working on it. All right, again, kebab swords. Okay, and a recipe for Mrs. Skewer's web. It's his YouTube channel. So I was just rotating these earlier. This one wasn't getting so much heat on this side, so I had to rotate it. But look at that browning on that. Look at that. And you rotate it. Okay. Probably needs a little more on the other side, right? Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that sizzle. So just had another little wardrobe change. It's the same day though, but it got warm. Like we're by Houston. We're in Texas. It's Sam Houston National Forest. It's north of Houston. Not really too close, but either way, had to change. Got the kebabs going. They are doing wonderful. All right. All right, they see the nice color after cooking, and I think it's ready. We're gonna have to cut into it to see. It looks good. It smells good. It's a Chinese style kebab. It's meant for lamb. I've done it before with lamb. I want to see how it comes out with chicken. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the subscribers.
Hello.
A kebab sword. Those are literally called kebab swords.
Huh?
I think. I think. Hey, it was really good. It tastes like rotisserie chicken, but with almost tastes Indian, like curry-ish flavored. But when you at first I was thinking like it didn't seem very wingy because it tastes like rotisserie chicken. But once I added some blue cheese and southern carrots and like that made these wings taste more fun. All right, Juan had some pita chips with his, right? Because he can't eat these hard things because it braces. All right, say bye to the subscribers. And it's all back to where it was. Filled in the hole, putting down camp. All packed. We got it to the brim. Things are popping out. That's our garbage, packing that out. Okay, and we're just trying to see if we left anything and we're good now.